Welcome to part 2 of our Voiceflow mini-series. In part 1, we learned how to build a basic AI chatbot from scratch, as well as send our data to a Zapier webhook. If you haven't watched that video, I do recommend starting there and coming back to this tutorial once you have watched that. In this video, we're going to cover how to send our data to a Google Sheets, as well as send our leads automated emails. So without further ado, let's get into Voiceflow. So let's get into Voiceflow's design view and look at the project we built in part 1. You can see here, we're just going to run through it really quick so we have a quick refresher of what we built last time. So it's going to ask us how we're doing and then what type of service we can help you with. So we'll select AI Dev. Greetings, are you interested in AI Dev? Is that correct? Yes. Great, let's start gathering some information. What is your full name? Let's do test. Thank you, test. What is your email? test@gmail.com. Run that. Great, we'll confirm our email. Yes. Successfully triggered the API call. Thank you for confirming your email. Any other questions? And this is where the AI would kick in our knowledge base. So we can go ahead and stop there. We'll look at our Zapier hook that we built last time. I'll continue through this, go right to test. You can see I've done some other testing. The most recent one will be a new record, will be test@gmail.com. This is the one we just did. So now we're actually going to add another action here. So add a step. We'll come over here to Google Sheets. Select that. And the event you're going to want to pick is create multiple spreadsheet rows. So we'll continue. Continue. Now we're going to select the drive. So this is where you actually need to go ahead and make an Excel spreadsheet in your Google Drive. I've already made one called leads. Go ahead and get rid of that test. So you can see I just have name and email in the row headers. So you can go ahead and set that up and then you'll be able to select it here in Zapier. So we'll choose our spreadsheet called leads, the worksheet, sheet 1. And then for the name, we're going to enter that catch webhook data that we just got from our test. So under name, we'll do the name. And then under the email, we'll store the email. We'll continue. And this is the object that is going to be sent. So we can test this step. And go to our sheet, and you can see that it did send our data again. And that is actually all you have to do to store your data in the Google Sheets. The next action step we're going to take is sending that lead an email. So we will come over to Gmail, select that, and then we will create an email or send an email. Continue, continue. 2, and we're going to select our email that we get from our Zapier webhook again. So we'll select that email. You can also CC or blind copy as many people as you want on these emails, but we're going to leave those blank for now. From is where you're going to select the email address that you want to send from. So we'll select mine, your from name. And again, we're just filling in basic data for your specific use case. You're going to want to fill in data that fits your specific needs. For the subject, we're just going to write test, as well as the body. We'll write test. Come down, you can add your signature or mailbox label that you want it to go to. We'll go ahead and click continue, and this is the object that's going to be sent. So we have test in the body, plain, our email, the name you want to put, the subject is test, and who the email is going to. So we'll go ahead and test step. Great, and it's sent to that email. I do not have access to test@gmail.com, unfortunately. But you can test it out for yourself, and it should send to your email just like that. So let's come back to our Voiceflow design view. I actually want to add a step in the process where they can book a call. So let's go ahead and change a few things around here. Let's drag this away, like so. So separating that. And then we'll go ahead and drag a text box up here. So text, and in here we're going to ask if they would like to book a call. So would you like to book a call? Question mark. And we'll leave that, and then we'll give them the option to say yes or no. So we'll come and select our buttons. We'll say yes, add a button, and no. Now, if they do select no, we're just going to route them through the original chain that we had. So if they select no, we'll just say, what other questions do you have? If they say yes, then we will book a call. So come back to text. We will say, great. Let's book a call. And right below that, we're going to add a card. So we'll come and select card from talk. And here you're going to want to select your company's logo or something that your customer will identify with. So we'll go ahead and upload that. In the card title, you can just put something like book a call. And then you're going to want to put your Calendly link or wherever your leads are going to be booking calls from. So we'll select that, paste it in here, and that should be good to go. So let's give that a test from right here. Would you like to book a call? Yes, we would. Great, let's book a call, and then you have the option to click that link and they can book a call straight from there. Now, after they book a call, we want to get them back in our loop to chat with the AI if they need any other questions at the end. So we'll select a text again, come here and thank them for booking a call. Thank you. We will be in touch. Great. And then once that happens, we'll go ahead and route back to if they have any other questions. So come all the way back over here and route to, do you have any other questions? And then they can chat with the AI on our knowledge base, and that will complete the loop. So let's go ahead and run through this from the beginning. Go ahead and start, run the test. So hi, welcome, what can we help you with? We'll do chatbots. Great, you're interested in chatbots, is that correct? Yes. Let's begin. What is your full name? Thank you. What is your email? We will just do test@gmail.com. Test that. Great. Confirm your email. Yes, that's correct. Successfully triggered the API call. Thank you for confirming. Would you like to book a call? Yes. Great. Let's book a call. You book it. You'd be in touch. What else would you like to know? And that is how the loop is completed. And that is where we're going to actually end for part 2 in our Voiceflow mini-series. In part 3, we're going to integrate our AI chatbot into a popular no-code software called Bubble.io. In Bubble, we're going to be able to give our clients the chatbot interface so they can start interacting with their leads right away. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.